Like Meter and Montessori parents, we would like to help you stimulate your toddler during these tiring times. In our Montessori environment, we have Practical Life shelf. Practical Life activities consist of familiar and simple activities. Everything is real and children gain self-confidence and independence when doing these activities. These activities include pouring beans. What you will need when doing this pouring activity is a tray, 2 jars, and anything you can pour, such as beans, dry macaroni, or cereal. I have my tray, 2 jars, macaroni or beans. When you want to work with your toddler, tell them you are going to have a 10, and once you are done, they can also have a 10. Curl your right hand fingers around the handle of the jar with the thumb on top of the handle. Bring your left hand across to the full jar, placing your index and middle finger just below the spout of the jar. Lift right hand jar and bring it over the center of the opening of the left hand jar. Tilt the jar and pour beans into empty jar. Check to see if the jar is empty. Once the jar is empty, place it back into its original position. Repeat the procedure with the left hand jar, using your left hand to pour. Replace jar back onto the tray. If your child spills, show them how to pick them up one by one using your thumb and index fingers. And once your child has mastered this activity, you can substitute the macaroni or beans with colored water to make it more exciting.